Association Stadium in Borshapara, Guwahati, Assam Premier League 2026 with the Soraideo Sunrisers taking on the Nagaon Rangers under the lights.
Well, hello and welcome as we get ready for the toss here in match number 18 played between the Soraideo Sunrisers and the Nagaon Rangers. I have the captains with me, Sumit Gadigaonkar for the Soraideo Sunrisers, Anurag Talukdar for the Nagaon Rangers, and we also have our match referee Shri Kumar Nair alongside our mascot Ronnie. Can you give us a pose as well? Oh yeah, there he goes. I'd like our match referee to please hand over the coin to Sumit. Sumit, give it a spin.
Heads.
Heads is the call. That's it then. From the toss, it's the Nagaon Rangers who won the toss and they choose to bowl first.
The Soraideo Sunrisers bringing in Sambhav Agarwal in place of Pratyush Bora. Only change rung in by Sumit Gadigaonkar. As for the Nagaon Rangers, as many as 4 changes have been brought in the form of Jeetu Ali, Romario Sharma, Shomadip Das and Akshay Deka. Left arm spinner being introduced into the lineup, and out goes among the many SK Janam. Clearly looking for winning ways is Anurag Talukdar, the skipper of the Nagaon Rangers. He's brought about for their 5th outing. Punched away straight to the fielder at point. A dot ball from Sunil Lachit. Knocked him over into the back hole, and this steers straight into the woodwork.
Really good delivery early doors. Well, Saike will have to go for a duck in the first over. They're none for one.
Oh, goes between the slip cordon here.
Beautifully struck down the ground. That's a touch of class. That's gone all the way, and that's what you need.
Beautifully caressed along the carpet by Rishikesh Tamuli, right out of the copybook. Oh, thick outside edge. The wicket-keeping captain there. Their opening batter, and here is a fine stroke.
Not the ball that should have picked up a wicket, but he should have known better. He knew that the fielder was inside the circle and he was fine. The skipper gone for 9 in the 5th over, 32 for 2.
This time a lot of power down the ground. Inside edge once again, running down. Is there a chance? There is an opportunity. Fielder watches it and takes an easy catch.
जानते थे कैच पकड़ना जरूरी है. तमोली 40 रन बना के पेविलियन लौटते हुए 62 पे 3.
Oh, that's an edge. It's been nicked. He's going to pick 2 into Bhargav. Another IndusInd Bank wicket.
एक बार फिर से आउटसाइड ऑफ स्टंप. कलम 12 रन बना के आउट हुए. 63 पे चौथा विकेट गिरता हुआ.
Oh, that's taken an edge. And that will run away for a boundary. Only if there was a slip in place. That's a catch, easily taken. Bhargav strikes once again.
But on that occasion, he was looking to carve it, using the border man to good effect. But unfortunately, that's the end of Sambhav Agarwala. Dismissed for 14. A runner ball innings from him comes to an end, and Sunrisers 85 for 5.
इस बार गेंद गई है गैप में और चौका भी मिलेगा. ये जरूरी होता है कि स्लैश जोर से करिए. ओहो हो कमाल का कैच.
He had to time his leap to perfection. Take a look at that. Right on the edge of the periphery.
ऋषभ दीपक 15 रन बना के आउट हुए. 96 पे 6.
Advertisements, but tell you what, this is an advertisement.
इनको मारना आसान नहीं है क्योंकि ये गेंद को धीमा भी छोड़ते हैं और दूर भी रखते हैं. दास 1 रन बना के आउट हुए. 97 पे 7.
Has Soumya got all of this? Not quite.
और कई बार रुकते नहीं है तो फिर बल्लेबाज कई बार सरप्राइज भी हो जाता है. सौम्या कांति पॉल 8 रन बनाए उन्होंने. 103 पे 8. ये लीजिए इस बार तेजी से डाल दी इन्होंने गेंद. हवा में गेंद है. फील्डर नीचे मौजूद.
Fast bowler from the Rangers. Beautifully played that. It's gone high in the night skies of Guwahati.
अच्छा कनेक्शन यहाँ पे. इसी तरीके की आप उम्मीद करते हैं निचले क्रम के बल्लेबाजों से।
Straight to the fielder.
इस बार ऐसा लगा लेंथ को थोड़ा पीछे रखा, स्वीट पार्ट पे प्रेशर रिलीज हुआ, सेलिब्रेशन निकली। मयूक खतरनाक बल्लेबाज दिख रहे थे, 11 रन बना के पेविलियन लौटते हुए 123 पे 9वां विकेट गिरता हुआ।
Right then, Jeetu Ali back. And this has been beautifully picked up and deposited into the stands. What a strike from Himanshu. 6 runs to kickstart. Himanshu goes big and long, this time towards the mid-wicket stands. He's launched this one with intent. What a blinder of a cameo has he played. 26 to a tally of just 13 deliveries as the Sunrisers finished their 20-over allocation on a competitive 139 for 9. The Sunrisers, Rishikesh Damoli top scoring with a 36 ball 40, having been demoted to number 3. Kalam, Rishabh and Sambhav Agarwala as well, playing his first match of the season, but it was Himanshu Saraswat who took the Sunrisers towards that respectable mark they were looking for.
यहाँ पे 6 गेंदबाज, सुनील ने ली 2, राहुल ने ली 2, सबसे सफल गेंदबाज भार्गव रहे। 4 ओवर 18 रन और 3 सफलताएं उनको प्राप्त हुई। जबरदस्त गेंदबाजी उनकी और जीतू को भी मिली 2 सफलताएं।
That is what the Nagaur Rangers will need to hunt down 140 to get their first win of the campaign.
Nagaur Rangers looking to go from the word go. Himanshu had a vital role to play. Straight off the mark, that's the way to go. Inside out from Kashyap. He's found the connection and it looks like a really good hit with the fast bowlers. That's been slapped, that's been hammered on the offside. Kashyap's not going to wait anymore. Fantastic batting this. Once again, the same area, he's loving the offside. This is Soumya Deep right now. But they're doing the damage, both the openers. Wow, simply brilliant this. The timing and the finesse. He's held the position really well. What a 6 this is.
The offside field was strengthened.
Straight over the bowler. That's been the area where there's been maximum amount of success so far.
Rishabh has been replaced by Kalam Reja, who has been absolutely greeted with that 6. What a shot.
पिछले कुछ ओवर में पहली गेंद पे आपको एक बड़ा शॉट आते हुए दिखता है.
Nicely punched to the back foot. Enough power to send this screaming toward the cover fence.
बेहतर कनेक्शन.
Sashays down the track and sends this soaring into the stands. An almighty hit. 6 runs for Sumit Kashyap. 2 short now of a half century. Into the stands. An almighty hit. 6 runs for Sumit Kashyap.
He chooses to go big. Has he cleared the distance? Yes, he has. He's on a roll, Sumit Kashyap. What a way to end the over. 18 runs of it, and at the end of 11, 98 for none, the Nagaur Rangers. They're not going to wait. Soumya Deep this time, striking big, and that's another 6. He's gone for it once again. This is a nice heave, and with that he brings up his 50. Soumya Deep, a fantastic knock today. Looks up to the heaven. Thanks the Almighty.
Once again, this is on the onside. That's gone all the way as well. That's as big as they get. They're the new. Oh, that's in the air. That's in the air. That's gone all the way as well. When they strike, it stays hit. Oh, what a shot this. What a shot. Just completely stand there and enjoy it. And Himanshu, it is. Yes, it is. What a win this for the Rangers. A convincing, a comfortable obliteration of the Sharaidia Sunrisers. He's the man, he says, and why not? 140 runs without losing a wicket. That's what the Rangers mean. Kashyap and Soumyadeep really played well from the outset. They came in chasing 139, and take a look at the domination there. Kashyap 66 of 44. He's the one who got to the 50 first, and then Soumyadeep, once he got to the 50, just raced to 70 of just 36 deliveries. They did it in 13.2 overs, which means they had about 6 overs and change in which they did it.
6 bowlers deployed by the Saraida Sunrisers captain Sumit Gharigaonkar, none of them getting into the wickets column. Amlan Jyoti being the most frugal of the lot with his 1 over, and the fact that none of them were able to eke out a wicket speaks volumes about the domination.
Nice to just recap. 139 put into bat for 9. They struggled. Tamuli got 40 of 36, and in reply just completely dismantled the bowling of the Sunrisers. Soumyadeep 70 undefeated of 36 deliveries, and Kashyap 66 undefeated of 44, which means that Nagaur Rangers have won by 10 wickets in a very grand style and extremely good batting display.